It's time to check your learning. Can you match the lines with its meaning? The first line is 愿得一心人. It means if I wed one with a single heart. The second line 白首不相离. It means even white-haired we would not apart. So this is a two line from a poem. Can you match the words with its meaning? Pause here while you are doing it. If you are done, let's check the answer. The first one is 白. 白. It means white, pure. The second one is 自. 自. It means I, myself. The last one is 日. 日. It means sun. They may seem so similar, but they are different and with a different pronunciation. This one is what? 大. 大. It means big. This one is 小. 小. It means small. So if you want to remember these words, you can go to my previous lessons. So now can you write the first words of each line? 愿得一心人. Can you write 愿? Do you get it right? 白首不相离. 白. Can you write it? So do you get it right? So if you want to know how to remember and write these words, please go to my previous lessons. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。